I don't know if you can feel the excitement in my voice, but today I'm very excited and I want to show you how to make banana bread at home. Yes, this recipe is so delicious, and not to worry, it came out so fluffy, so nice and tasty. First of all, you want to get two ripe bananas, very ripe bananas. I know some people would want it very dark, but just two ripe, very ripe bananas are okay. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. I mixed the sugar with a little browning, and then I added in 1 egg into this, and I'm going to mix this with my mixer, my hand mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk or a fork for this. Now, there's one thing about this recipe. You don't want to add so much sugar in this banana bread because the bananas are sugary already. You just want the taste moderate and tasty too. So 2 tablespoons of sugar was okay for this recipe. I'm going to add in some lemon zest and melted butter. 1 tablespoon of melted butter was used. Then I'm going to mix this again so that everything incorporates so well. I'm going in with 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to go in with a little bit of baking powder and a little powdered vanilla flavor. This was great. If you want to add chocolate to your banana bread, you can go ahead and add in some cocoa powder if you want to make chocolate. But this was okay, it was nice. I didn't need to add any chocolate. I just wanted to show you without it. Go with a little bit of vanilla flavor, mix it. You're going to pour this into a pan. So I'm using this foil plate to bake because I'm going to show you how to bake this without an oven. So just get the foil plate from any baking store, transfer your banana bread mixture, top with some coconuts, grated coconuts or chips, chocolate, nuts, whatever you want to use for your toppings. I'm also going to place some bananas on the top. We are making banana bread, guys. So when I'm done with this, I will cover this up with the cover of this foil. There is a reason why we want to cover this. We don't want the top to get soaked with water. So go ahead and cover the top of this foil. That's why I'm using a foil plate. If you're using a baking pan, cover the top with a foil. Now you're going to place this in a pot of boiling water. I repeat, boiling water. Allow it to cook for about 1 hour. You're going to go in with your knife and you see that it's clean. If it's not clean, allow to cook for an extra time. And that is it, guys. Your baked banana bread without an oven. The taste is so great. It is also very fluffy, moist, and delicious. Everything is moderate in this banana bread, guys. And you can see how beautiful it is. So you can make a chocolate version of this if that is what you want and bake. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.